What are you doing?
I'm sketching.
And where are you sketching?
In the living room.
No, in my bedroom. And I didn't say anything to you, Brooke, when you so arrogantly claimed the bed without asking me. But you can't just waltz into my room and turn it into a damn art fair.
Gary, I've only taken up a little bit of space.
I don't care if you only took an inch. There might not be a door here, but this is my domain, okay? I don't go into your bedroom and set up a goddamn sawhorse.
Well, then what the hell is that pool table doing in the dining room?
Because that's a common area. And that's where this belongs. Not in my room.
Hey, what are you
It belongs in another common area.
Gary,
People want to come home, and they want to relax in their room.
Gary it is 2 o'clock in the morning. Don't you drop
I don't know what to tell you, kid. This is how I am when I'm single. My hours start to get pretty strange. Might be time for you to think about moving out.
Why would I'm not moving anywhere. And Gary, just please turn the volume down.
You know, but I don't tell you what the hell to do in your room. You can doodle, you can dance, you can break the goddamn gingerbread house. I don't give a shit. But in my room, I want to relax and watch my highlights and complete surround sound experience. What the hell are you doing?
You're not even gonna watch it.
Don't tell me what I am or are not doing.
Oh, what you are not doing? Let's learn some English.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't have a grandfather on the board of some fancy college. Keyword being was, did he touch the Filipino exchange student? Did he not touch the exchange student? I don't know, Brooke. I wasn't there.
Don't start with the family stuff. Like, your family's so perfect, your brother's a pervert.
Don't talk to me about the sexual habits of family members. What about your sister?
My sister's been through a lot.
Of Dick?
There are some problems, Gary, but can we please just leave it?
Problems? She slept with the entire Arizona Cardinals offensive line. That's not problems. She's a problem.
She was on vacation.
She was on vacation. Don't even get me started, by the way, on your brother. If I have to hear that guy sing just one more time, I'd hang myself with wax dental floss. Could the guy just come out of the closet, please?
Richard is not gay.
Okay, Lassie, I want you to listen to me, and listen good. I'm not saying he won't get married. I'm not saying he won't even have kids. But one day his wife will come home, and then she'll find him with a guy named Julio wearing leather helmets and clubbing each other to Yanni's greatest hits.
Yeah, right, whatever. You're an infant.
Yeah, I'm an infant.